Hi everyone, quick video today. We're going to talk about YouTube ads and custom intent audiences. So within our pay-per lead agency, we're running quite a lot of traffic on YouTube, generating leads for X and selling them for usually around 2X. And one of the ways that we generate these leads, and not only leads, but quality leads, is by utilizing the custom intent audiences, okay? And not many people use these because it's kind of hidden away a little bit. And I want to tell you about where to find them, how to create them, and then you can obviously chuck your video creatives into these targeting settings within the YouTube platform. It's a very quick video, but you should give it a go. All right, first thing is go to settings, and then go into Audience Manager. All right, that's at the top of the screen in your YouTube, in your Google account. Okay, and then click on, gives you the option to either create custom intent or custom affinity audiences. All right, we can talk about custom affinity another day, but custom intent is giving us great results. And the first one you want to create, the audience you want to create, and I would say you want to create maybe 5 times these and 5 times those, all right, is based on search keywords. So this is what, and the reason why the quality is so good is that because you're able to show your YouTube ads to people that have been searching for the keywords that you're targeting, that you're typing in to this audience. So what you can do, Google asks you to create a list of 50 plus keywords that people are actually typing in that is related to your offer. So if it's car finance is your offer, you guys know I always use that example. You might want to create a theme of keywords based around car finance. So my first theme would be anything car finance related. So you can go into Google Keyword Planner, type in car finance and hit find, and I'll find as many keywords as they can that are closely related to car finance. I would pick the first 50 and cut and paste them into that audience manager and press create. That's your first one done. The second audience could be around something like car leasing, which is similar to car financing. The third one could be bad credit car financing. The fourth one could be something like credit cards. It's probably not that closely related, maybe not a good idea, but you get my drift. Try and group them into different themes that are different. Don't try and put them all into one, okay? This literally takes 5 minutes to do, okay, using Keyword Planner. And what you can do then is create 5 times custom intent themes, which you're able to put into your ad accounts and start showing ads to, all right? The second thing is, and by the way, when you're setting up your campaigns, have one campaign, and this is the way we do it, one campaign per audience, all right? And then break down the ad groups inside that campaign based on age brackets, all right? And that way you can see which audiences quickly are doing well just by going into the AdWords interface and quickly, creating your columns and seeing what the cost per leads are, etc. Easy way to do it. The second thing is custom intent. So you've already got your five groups of keywords up here. Same thing, but the difference with custom intent in market keywords is that Google knows that people are in the market for car finance. They're visiting websites, and because Google obviously has their tag manager and analytics and everything on there, they know that these people are in the market for, they're being cookied, etc. So it's a little bit different to people searching for stuff, but Google knows that they're in the market for. So you can probably create 5 groups based on the keywords that you had up here for the custom search keywords one into the in-market one, but in-market keywords also allows you to add URLs as well. So I would probably do another 5 here, 5 times URL ones. So the biggest 5 competitors in the market, create a custom intent in-market audience off the back of that. And there you have 15 new audiences to try. You can start them at a low budget and see how they go. But the difference between some of the other interests that you've got in YouTube and these audiences is the quality, because people are actively searching or in the market for, so they're going to be much, much better quality. okay, which is it's a huge advantage that YouTube and Google has over Facebook. I would highly recommend you look into this. If you want to learn how to use tools like this, we have a program which teaches you all about YouTube ads, all about Twitter ads, all about Facebook ads, how to land pay-per-lead clients, and how to scale a pay-per-lead agency from scratch. And there's a case study below this video that will let you do this. Enjoy. Speak soon.